Unlocking the meaning of step-by-step process. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful and widely used phrase in the English language, step-by-step process. This phrase is a key part of learning how to approach tasks methodically and efficiently, not just in English, but in any aspect of life. So, let's break it down step by step to fully understand its meaning and application. Step-by-step process refers to a method of completing a task by following a series of stages or parts in a particular order. Each step in the process is important and needs to be completed before moving on to the next. This approach is methodical, organized, and helps ensure that nothing is missed. It's like following a recipe when cooking a dish. Each ingredient needs to be added in a specific order to achieve the desired outcome. Using a step-by-step process is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it simplifies complex tasks by breaking them down into manageable parts. This makes it easier to focus on one step at a time, rather than feeling overwhelmed by the entire task. Secondly, it ensures accuracy and efficiency, as each step is designed to build upon the previous one. Lastly, it's a great learning tool, especially for those who are new to a task or skill, as it provides a clear pathway to follow. To illustrate how pervasive and useful this concept is, let's look at some examples. Learning a new language. You start with the basics, like alphabet and pronunciation, then move on to simple words, and gradually to complex sentences and grammar rules. Building a piece of furniture. You follow the instructions, assembling each part in the order specified to ensure the final product is sturdy and correct. Cooking a meal. Recipes provide step-by-step instructions to prepare a dish, specifying when to mix, cook, or add ingredients. Here are some tips to make the most out of this approach. Take your time, don't rush through the steps. Understanding each phase fully is key to success. Keep track. Whether it's a checklist or notes, keeping track of your progress can be incredibly helpful. Be patient. Some steps may take longer than others. Patience is crucial in ensuring you don't skip ahead and miss important details. We hope this video has shed some light on the step-by-step process and its significance in learning and everyday tasks. Remember, breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps can make a world of difference in how effectively and efficiently you learn or complete a task. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.